Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is titled Best Brokerages in Canada for Trading Stocks and ETF in 2025. And as a bonus, because I understand that I have a large audience from Nigeria, I would also be listing the brokerages to buy US stocks from Nigeria. So let's get straight into it. Before I begin to this video, let me give a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. The content of my videos represents my personal opinions and is provided for informational and entertainment purposes only. My information is not intended to be legal, financial, or an investment advice. Always conduct your own research and due diligence before making any financial decisions. Remember, it's your money. Please make informed decisions that are right for you. I'll never ask you for money, nor will I provide my phone number or personal email address. If you encounter any suspicious accounts or messages claiming to be me, please report them immediately as fake or scam. Here's the agenda of today's video. We're going to have an introduction and then list the key factors to consider when choosing a brokerage account. Third, we're going to look at the best brokerages in Canada for trading stocks and ETF. Fourth, we're going to discuss the best brokerages for different types of investors. So depending on if you're an active trader, if you're going to be a long-term investor, or if you're going to be a short-term swing trader, we're going to go through the different brokerage accounts that you need to consider. And lastly, we're going to end this video by choosing the right brokerage firm for you, which is going to be based on your goal and desire. If you're looking to start trading stocks and ETFs in Canada, choosing the right brokerage can make all the difference. In this video, we'll break down the existing brokerages such as Questrade, Wealthsimple, Interactive Brokers, Moomoo, and Webull to help you make the best decision for your investing and trading needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss any trading tip from this channel. Here's what you can expect in this video: a quick overview of each brokerage, a breakdown of their fees and commission, a look at their features and tools, and finally, which one might be best for your trading style. Again, the objective of this video is to provide an overview of their fees, features, and suitability for different investor types. This video is going to be useful for beginners, active traders, as well as long-term investors. Before diving into the comparisons across the different brokerage firms in Canada, let's set the stage with the key criteria that are important in arriving at your decision. Trading fees. How much commissions do they charge per trade? Are there any other hidden fees associated when you submit an order? Currency conversion fees. This becomes important if you're going to be trading the US markets from Canada. What type of accounts do they offer you? Do they offer the TFSA, RRSP, which are the registered accounts, or non-registered accounts such as the cash accounts or the margin accounts? Ease of use of the platform. Do they offer mobile or desktop experience, or do they offer both, including the web interface? Also, fractional shares. Do they offer fractional shares? Yes or no? Also, we have the dividend reinvestment plan, which is called the DRIP. You want to ensure if the platform supports auto reinvestment, because that saves you the extra effort of repurchasing shares when you get dividends, and also saves you from commissions. Also, you want to look at the research and tools that they offer. Do they offer you market data? Do they offer you a charting interface? And also, do they have a reporting suite for you to be able to measure or evaluate the performance of your portfolio? And lastly, customer support. You want to ensure that you register with a brokerage that can provide you with immediate customer support in case you run through some errors and you need a quick feedback. Investors and active traders can participate in the financial market in Canada using any of the 6 listed brokerage firms, with Moomoo and Webull identified to be the 2 recent entrants into this space. Questrade is recognized historically for its low fees and is quite popular among long-term investors and active traders. They currently charge $0 commission for stocks and ETF. They charge roughly 1.5% for conversion fees when you trade US stocks, but that can be avoided using the Norbert's Gambit. They currently don't have access to fractional shares, but they've notified subscribers of their intention to release that feature very soon. Some of the pros of the platform include the easy integration with TradingView, instant deposits, and the excellent research tools that they offer. One of the cons that I could find online is that they might not be the best for day trading. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, is recognized as a beginner-friendly platform, offering $0 commission and a conversion fee of roughly 1.5% for US stocks. They also offer fractional shares, and one of the pros listed online for this platform is the simple interface and beginner-friendly nature. The con of Wealthsimple is basically the limited research tools, and the forex can be costly. Interactive Broker, on the other hand, which is my favorite platform, is best for active traders that are interested in US stocks. They offer low forex fees, which can be as low as $2 when you use the IBKR Pro version. They offer fractional shares, and one of the cons is it's been identified to be complex and not beginner friendly. However, the pros of the platform include the easy integration with TradingView and the low forex fees. In this slide, we have a table that summarizes the key features beginners need to consider when selecting a broker for trading stocks and ETFs in Canada. First, the commission and fees, the account types, the trading platforms, the investment options, fractional shares, pre-market and after-hours trading, customer support also. This table provides a side-by-side comparison of the 6 major brokers, including National Direct Brokerage, to help you make an informed decision. Please make sure you take all the time you need using this table as a guide to select what works best for you. In my opinion, if you're a beginner, Wealthsimple Trade might be the best brokerage for you because of its ease of use and the zero commission it offers you. For active traders as well as swing traders, Interactive Brokers and Questrade stand out to be good options for you. For long-term investors, Questrade and Wealthsimple also stand out to be better suited for your needs. Also, in terms of banking convenience, National Bank Direct Brokerage stands out from the pack because of its zero commission structure. Now that we've compared the brokerages, it is clear that the best choice depends on your investment goals. I encourage you to think about your needs. Are you trading the US stock market or the local Canadian market? Do you also care about fees? If you want zero commission trading with an easy to use interface, Wealthsimple might be your best bet. If you need an advanced trading tool and low forex fees, Interactive Brokers is the way to go. If you need advanced trading tools and zero commissions, Questrade is the way to go. And if you prefer a traditional bank-linked brokerage, National Bank Direct Brokerage stands out with its zero commission trading. Which brokerage do you use? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing content. And as promised, a bonus for my audience from Nigeria that would like to trade the US stock market back from Nigeria. You have the options of going through with Cheaper Cash, Bamboo, Chaka, Choice Trade, and Trading 212. Kindly please note that all the features I described earlier in my video also apply to you. So kindly please take your time to visit each of these websites to learn how these features apply and go with the option that best suits your need. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please let me know in the comments what topic you would like me to review next time. Until then, bye-bye.